What's up YouTube, Vincenzo here. I wanted to share with you guys today some of my favorite snacks. Now, there's for sure more than just these snacks that you can have when you're on the Specific Carbohydrate diet. These are just some of my go-tos. They're all natural, there's no preservatives, the ingredient lists are pretty small, calorie counts are low, and they're just really these delicious, inexpensive, healthy snacks that I go to. So I wanted to rank them for you, kind of walk you through what they're like, give you a little taste test. Let's do this. When you look at the variety of things we have here, right, they range from gummy candies to almond flour cookies, fruit roll-ups, cheese crackers. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Would absolutely appreciate a subscribe. And don't forget to leave us a comment. Let us know if you tried some of these yourselves. Would love to hear your take. First up is our pure organic fruit bars. These are made out of fruit juice concentrates, fruit purees, a little bit of citrus pectin. So if you're on the Specific Carbohydrate diet, make sure that you're actually in remission. I would consider these as SCD advanced. Start slow with these, especially if it's the first time you're trying it. Generally, pectin is not allowed on SCD, but I've been eating these always in moderation and I've been totally fine. These are sweet, fruity, and the gummy texture is phenomenal. Watch out not to leave these in the heat. They can get kind of sweaty and then be a little messy. Next up is the Paleo Prime brand almond flour cookies. Guys, these are seriously awesome if you don't have time or just you're not in the mood to bake. They have almond flour, freeze-dried raspberries, coconut oil, honey, a little bit of baking soda. Nothing beats freshly baked cookies, but these are an awesome backup. They have a soft texture, mild sweetness. I really love eating them by themselves or even just tearing them up and kind of adding little bits to an acai bowl or to a smoothie. Next, we have the Bear brand fruit rolls. These are awesome for all ages. The packaging is fun and vibrant. Each pack comes with a fun collectible cards that I know the kids will love. These give me kind of those like healthy fruit roll-up vibes. The only ingredients are dried fruits. These here have apples, pears, and mangoes. No concentrates, no sugar added. They have a mild sweetness, they're not sticky or messy. I really love taking these with me when I go on hikes or to the beach. They're really awesome on the go. Up to our savory section, you're gonna kind of see a theme here. I personally love cheese. I really miss eating chips when I'm on the Specific Carbohydrate diet. So all the savory snacks we've lined up, they're all gonna kind of give you that sort of salty, cheesy, crunchy feel. First up, we have just the cheese. Ingredient wise, you guessed it, they have just one, that's aged cheddar cheese. Each pack comes with 2 bars, they're super crunchy, they have a mild aroma and are seriously delicious. I absolutely love these with soups, especially with a little bit of tomato soup, you can kind of dip it in. Next up is cheese wisps. There's a bunch of different flavors you can get. Here we have the Parm wisps. I also really love the Asiago cheese and pepper version. These have just one ingredient, it's baked cheese. They can have a strong aroma, but really the flavor is pretty soft. They're crunchy and really hit the spot when you're looking for a replacement to traditional chips. I love these with burgers or snacking with like salsa. Next up are hands down my favorite go-to, Parm crisps. These are the everything flavor. They have Parmesan cheese, poppy and sesame seeds, minced onion, garlic. They're seriously stacked with flavor. They're super crispy and the flavor isn't so heavy on the cheese side. They're really phenomenal with like guacamole or even just by themselves. These are especially good for those of you who aren't really like cheeseaholics like I am. Last up is moon cheese. These are similar to just the cheese in that they only have one ingredient, aged cheddar, but where these really shine is the texture. They have a super mild flavor, but they're also super crunchy. Watch out, you may end up eating the whole bag before you realize it. I know I've done that a few times. I also just love the fact that when you look at each piece, they kind of have like craters and they actually look like moons. That just about wraps it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope to see you for the next one.